11-year-old intermediates right now. In the gate, we should have the 47 bike of Anthony Vullo. He's racing for Dad. He's out of Belle Chasse, Louisiana. The 813 bike of Cole Warrior Patterson, mini militia rider out of Belle Chasse, Louisiana. 80 bike Austin Thomasy from West Bake Cycles and Boards. He's out of Kerner, Louisiana. Noah Robin from a mini militia rider out of Marrero, Louisiana. And Brandon Jones from Aggieland BMX out of Houston, Texas.
Come on, Noah!
Riders ready. Watch your light.
Gate is down, and the snap out of the gate goes to Brandon Jones, Aggieland rider, going down the first straight, showing he's got some pull coming down into that first turn. Aggieland rider Brandon Jones out in front. Right behind him, Cole, the Warrior Patterson. We're going to come down this second straightaway. 17 bike, Brandon Butterfinger Jones out in front right now. Coming down around that second turn, Brandon Jones out in front. Right behind him, the 125 bike of Noah Robin in that 2 spot.
Come on,
Going
Noah!
down this third straightaway.
Come in third. He's got to come in
We
third.
got 2 militia riders coming in, hunting for that Aggieland colors, kind of looking at that back going, I'm going to get him. Last straight drag race right here. Brandon Jones out in front.
Come on,
the outside,
Noah!
by Cole Warrior Patterson.
Push!